Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S give me another reaction. Yeah. Today, guys, we're here with Rytikal. Think about it. Short story. Rytikal, think about it. Short story. For those who don't know who Rytikal is yet, we need to check him out. Bad artist. Bad young talent. Very, very talented youth from the east side. You see me? So, let's jump to the one I say.
Oh yeah. Think about it.
She a cook for the boss. Message. Baby, I miss you.
Been broken and beaten so bad. Don't even know I'm hurt, been trying to hold back. I'm only trying my best to make it work, but things only got worse. Do you even?
She said, "Pussy, how would this text your phone? Bad girl. She just pussy him up. Pussy, how would this text your phone? Watch your lips. I'm not lie.
Trying my best to make it work,
see?
But things only got worse.
This I text your phone. The
The
boss can catch. Let me see.
I'm so lost right now. Just give me something to believe in. So much fucked up people around me. If you love me, show me, and don't go throw it away.
What's your run down, Rytikal? Run down, brother. Don't make sure you run with your phone, dog. Don't make sure about the number, Rytikal. Run it down. Bathroom. Oh, God. Rytikal, you lose the fight. Rytikal, you lose the fight. Brother, let me tell you this. Once you go into the bathroom, you lose the fight. Once you go in the bathroom, you lose the fight. But bathroom door lock. Sorry for you, I'm glad to say no me. Me I go with the Rytikal, cause me nah go. I swear to God I nah go.
When you look, still forgive and me can't stay up on my foot. Try skip from it, but the heart tape no remove. Me love till me think heartbreak no possible. Write so much song and still last when me lucky book.
Me not kicking that. Me not door there. Me not care. Me not kicking that door there. Me would not kicking that door there. Me not care. Me not kick it in.
Know so much things and I know what to do. No one wants a broken heart. If you never feel like give up, lucky you. Just the shoes make me feel like we cut the show. But relationship come with obstacles. Now fuck with the two and we get couple bros. Stay and work it out. I cut you for choose. Got all the choice but me never choose nothing new. Plus I never
got all the choice but me never choose nothing new. So I always choose you. I always choose the same thing. I always choose you. Yeah, man, huh?
That nothing when it does for pull, and if it does for empty, me make it something full. Just think about it, think about the things you go through when you're.
She just put in a number in her phone. No, her name come up. Whose name it is? Probably somebody we should know. Let's hope it's not one of our family members. Let's go. Oh. She a breed. Rytikal, trouble you know.
Think about it. Just think about it, all the times we had and all that we've been through. Just think about it, girl, I love you. I've just been broken and beaten so bad. Don't even know I'm hurt, been trying to hold back. I'm only trying my best to make it work, but things only got worse. Do you even think about how I'm feeling? I'm so lost right now, just give me something to believe in. So much fucked up people around me. If you love me, show me, and don't go throw it away.
Like this, Woo! Two line.
So bad. Don't even know I'm been trying to hold back.
Nice. She looked past it. Baby, I miss you text. She don't know a kid is involved now. She's pregnant now, so she need her family to be together. She need the G for the around her, and the G is around her. You see me? The G don't tell her say, yo, me not choose nothing new. She is the one. You see me? You look good to your man, Rytikal. Go and circle your man, brother. So I circle him with that. You see me, Bridget?
Best don't make it work, but things only got worse. Do you even think about it? How I'm feeling?
they're both on different. They're both outside the door, inside. She inside, him outside of the door. They're both sitting down. You understand? So them both are hurt right now, but you don't know. You see me? No, well, Rytikal not hurt. Rytikal just sorry say him get caught at this moment, but she a G, she a wall out. You don't know. All of the real thugs them been through them. Them know all the things go, brother. You have to just make up back to your girl and know say, yo, your girl, you see me? She not go nowhere. Your girl, you see me?
I'm only trying my best to make it work, but things only got worse. Do you even think about how I'm feeling? I'm so lost right now, just give me something to believe in. So much fucked up people around me. If you love me, show me, and don't go throw it away.
Oh shit. Oh shit, pregnancy test, brother. Just calm her down, brother. Just calm her down. Don't worry about that. Just calm her down, my friend. Just calm her down, my fam. Don't worry about that. Easy fix that, man. She just in her emotion and car. You don't know. Pregnancy involved in no one. You keep up your fuckery. You see me? Me like this. Rytikal, we need a part 2. We need a second part, Rytikal. What go on feet? We need a second part, bro. It's bad. It's bad. Like, track bad. The visuals bad. Obviously, it's a short story. Bad. Different, but it's bad from you, Rytikal. Because I say, let me say, just make it up to her. You don't know. All of the real talk them out there right now. I want to make a talk out. Something like this, you know. All enough to do just give her space and make she grieve and make she cuss and call her all type of name under the sun. You have to just hold it. Don't argue with her. Don't try to fight it because you just digging yourself at a deeper hole. She don't catch her already. If she love you, she go stay with you. All of the real woman them. You see me? I go stay with you. And know say, yo, he's a dirty piece of shit, but she's still there with you. You understand? So Rytikal, pick up yourself. Girl pregnant now, so a time for you to behave yourself, my fam. Like me say, God go with you, cause me nah go. But girl look good, so stay with her. You see me? Yeah, me G. Build your family. Yeah, dog. Yeah. What's up, make a left over there still. If you enjoy the reaction, please leave a like. Subscribe around there if you're new. And if you're only viewing, big up yourself, see me. Appreciate you seeing me. You understand? So I'll see you guys on the next one. See you? Peace.